Today we're going to repair a water hammer sound that is in the basement. I've deduced the sound to being up here, this pipe. Typically I would hear it when the clothes machines would be filling up and then it would shut off and you would hear the sound. So what's happening here is the pipe is resting on the beam and it just jumps up a little bit when it gets shut off or turned on rapidly. So the problem is there was originally a clamp here and the clamp has just rusted apart. So the clamp is not doing anything anymore. So we need to replace this clamp. So we're going to remove this old rusty nail and get all this off of here. We'll kind of clean that up a little bit and then we'll replace a new clip on there. So first I'm going to remove this old rusty nail, which may or may not come out easily. There's one stubborn nail here. There we go. Okay, so that's off. So now I have a new clip. This clip is a plastic clip. Not because that's my preference, but that's just what I found as I scummed around the basement here. So we're going to put this on. I'm going to use a screw, so if the clip breaks again, it's a little bit easier to dismantle. I'm going to raise the pipe up a little bit so it's away from the beam, and then we'll screw this in. It's nice and strong, it's not going to move, so that should do it. Nice and secure now, and when the water shuts off it's got nowhere to move, so it should be quiet.